Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be doing a steak. Now this is supposed to be a ribeye steak. When I bought it at the supermarket they said it was a rib steak, but it's not. I'm going to show you guys what it is. If I can get it turned over. Son, come on. Well, listen, let me turn over that. Can I put the hand right near the camera? No, I'm just turning it for you guys. See guys, this is not a rib steak, so I've been fooled, but I'm gonna work with it for now. So I have seasoned it with garlic, black pepper, some thyme, and salt and a bit of flour. That's all you need to coat it. So I'll show you guys for now. So what you want for roasting, for pot roasting a beef, you need a heavy enough pan, and this is a pan, and you want to heat it so that the pan become hot, and then you can add the oil to it because you don't want the beef to burn. So you heat the pot first, then you add the oil. You just coat the top with oil, and then you can go ahead and add your beef. So this is what the steak is looking like in the pot. So it's bubbling. So you want to get it brown on both sides, and then you can go ahead and pot roast it. So I'm just blowing it off right now. So I'll look at it can turn. Let's it brown a little bit more. This is the color I'm looking for. So you know we need that brownness on the outside. So brown it off. So I turned it. But the oil is spread evenly in the pot. So we need that other side kind of get the same color as this one. Oh my god, you can smell the thyme flavor. Wow. You smell all the thyme in there. Guys, I use dry thyme. If you want, you can use green thyme, or you can use rosemary. I don't like rosemary, so I didn't use any rosemary. So I'm just gonna get this other side brown off, and then brown the two corners. Then I'm gonna take it out and make the preparation to do the pot roast. So I'll come back and show you guys what's going on. Remember guys, to keep this on a low heat. You're supposed to have it on a low heat whenever you're burning it. And I'll be doing a medium well steak because I don't want to see any blood like this running through my meat. I don't like that. So I'm doing a medium well steak. So guys, this is what it looks like when it has been brown in the pot. So I have removed it from the pot, and now I'm gonna use this to make the broth for the steak. Now this is what I'll be using. I'll be using some chopped onions and some flour. So I'm just gonna put the onion. I'm gonna turn back on the stove and heat the pot, put the onion in, get it caramelized, and then I'm gonna add some water. I'm going to add some water in that as well, but not too much water because remember that beef spring its own water, so we're gonna let it cook in its own gravy. So I'll just come back and show you guys when I have this thing bubbling. Now I'm gonna add the onions. Just gonna caramelize that for a bit. And I'm gonna add more onions after this because you know our Jamaican beef takes long to cook. So I'm just adding this so it can soak into the beef to give a bit of a flavor. Then I'm gonna add more onions after. Get that stove back on low because the pot was very hot, so I turned off the stove. So just gonna caramelize these onions to lift up the flavor. Now I'm gonna add a bit of water. Yes guys, and you see all the aroma coming up. Oh my god. So as I said before, you don't need much water. Let me turn on back the stove because the pot was getting too hot. So yeah, get the all that juiciness from in the bottom. Let that simmer for a bit. People tend to use butter, so if you want, you can go ahead and you can use butter for this instead of using olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil. So as the water is beginning to boil, I'm gonna go ahead now. I'm gonna add my steak beef, as Adam said, ribeye. Not only steak beef. That's not how rib is supposed to look. This is not how rib looks. So this is a bad cut of beef. I guess that's as far as advertising. Because on the packet it said it's rib steak. And I didn't get no rib, yo. Didn't get no rib. So I'm going to go ahead now. And I'm going to add my steak to the boil. Just a simmer, guys, simmering down. So I'm not gonna add the rest of mixture until the steak is cooked, and this is supposed to take about 3 hours before it cooks. Well, let's see how that goes. See all that flavor coming out of that big chunk of meat. Oh my god. So I'm just gonna close the pot now, guys. The pot is closed. So I'm gonna give it a few minutes and then I'm gonna turn it on the other side. So you keep turning it, you keep checking it and turning it so it can cook on evenly on the side. I have gone ahead and I've added some more water because this beef isn't springing a lot of water at all. So I had to add a bit more water, and I add some more garlic powder and some all-purpose seasoning, and I've turned the sides. So guys, you want to cook this on medium heat, so low. Let it cook thoroughly, because trust me, Jamaican beef tough. People them keep the cow them too long, have them all tough and all these things. So yeah, afterwards I'm gonna make red wine reduction. So guys, the roast is coming along very nicely. So I didn't get the color I wanted, so I add a bit of browning in there. So it's coming pretty tender. So I'm gonna leave this on for a few more minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make the red wine reduction sauce. So guys, this is cooked now, so I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna go ahead and make the red wine reduction sauce. So my good people, it's time for the red wine reduction. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some wine into the pot, and I'm gonna let the wine reduce. So I'm adding red wine. So I'm gonna let it reduce. And then I'm gonna add some ketchup and some pepper and all that good stuff. So I'll show you guys how everything turned out. Now guys, I have added some mixed berries to this mixture. Smell the flavor, yeah. The flavor of the wine is just popping, yeah. Look at that rich color that you're getting from the wine and the berries. So next I'll be adding some flour to get the thick consistency. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so awesome. Oh my god. And I'm gonna add a bit more onion to this. And then I'm gonna be making my yam salad. So guys, here I have the potato salad. So what I use, no, not potato, it's yam salad. I use yellow yam, dice them up, boil them, mayonnaise, carrot, green peas, string bean, and also sweet corn. So that's the yam salad right there. The red wine reduction is coming along very nicely. Give it a few more minutes then I can take it off. So guys, what I'm doing right now, I'm going ahead and I'm glazing the beef. That's the pot roast beef with the some red wine sauce. So this is where I cut a chunk from to test it. And these are the berries that you see right there. They look so lovely. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut it up. So guys, this is the finished product. So this is Christmas dinner in bed. Christmas dinner in bed. I got my Merlot wine. I got my pot roasted beef that has been prepared by me. You have your potato salad right here. Mistake, yam salad. I'm always saying potato salad because I'm so used to potato salad. So you have your potato salad right there, and then you have your roasted garlic mashed potato there. And over here we have the red wine reduction with mixed berries. So guys, take a look and tell me how I look. Living the rich life, only for the best life.